You're going to absolutely love rolling around in style in this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4x4. Look at those black wheels over that Granite Crystal Metallic paint. How beautiful is this? Let's take a closer look inside. As we climb inside, you're going to love the black leather seats with the suede inserts there. They are heated as well. Looks so good. 113,000 miles on this 3.6 liter V6 powered 4x4 Jeep Grand Cherokee. There are the steering wheel controls, and it's got a nice size screen there in the middle with Uconnect. Of course, we got to be rocking the message there on Sirius XM. There's the backup camera. And here's all the controls below that. And as I was mentioning, it does have heated seats and steering wheel. And here are the controls for that. Overhead, there's the controls for the sunroof, and there's that nice size sunroof there, showcasing our beautiful sign on the building here. And as we climb into the back seat, more of the black leather and suede, you're going to love that. And there's even a cup holder there in the middle. Open that power lift gate and you'll see there's an enormous amount of cargo space there. There's the subwoofer for that premium audio, and there's the button to close the hatch. Check this out, Hillsboro, Missouri.